Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do the unboxing of my Colored Daze subscription box. So Colored Daze is a shop that specializes in foil and overlay tapes. She is located in America and she has a subscription for overlay tapes. Now most of the overlay tapes that she has are they are perforated, so they are perforated to an exact size that will fit the standard planner in the planner community, and you can put the overlay tape on top of a full box, for example, and you have, you know, a little touch of sparkle, a little touch of foil without having to actually purchase a foil sticker. It's a good way to decorate your spread, to give it a little bit more of a bling, and it's also very fun to use. So the subscription box usually comes with 2 journaling cards, 2 sheets of clear stickers, as well as 6 washi overlays. So let me show you first the 2 journaling cards, and they are on clear clear acetate. So the first one is usually the month of that relates to that specific subscription, and as you can see here, you're gonna see July, but it's not actually July. She had issues with the manufacturer and the quality of the tapes, so she had to push for the July subscription to be she brought forward the subscription because she had issues with the May subscription. So this was supposed to be the July, but it's now the May one, if that makes any sense. So the journaling card usually has this clear plastic on the back, and this is just so satisfying to take out. So this is the journaling card, and it's a beautiful, very, very light champagne color. It's absolutely a beautiful foil, and I really like this color. The next journaling card is Living That Bow Life, and let me see if I can take the little thing off. Probably not. That's okay. Oh, here we go. That is so satisfying, sorry, I had to do it. And it is Living That Bow Life. That is absolutely gorgeous. You can put this on a dashboard, or you can put this as a dashboard itself on your planner, and that's what I'm gonna do with this one for my A6 rings. Currently I am waiting for my A6 rings to arrive, so I will show you that whenever it happens. So the clear stickers, they are definitely manufactured instead of being done in-house. I don't believe they're done in-house, and I had issues in the past with the cut lines. I've never complained because I honestly don't have time to complain, but these are very good cut lines. So you can just take it off and decorate your planner with them. So they're really good. This is the bow one, and this on the champagne color. Don't know if you can see that color. It's so pretty. It's kind of a matte champagne. And this is the pink, the bright pinkish color with all of these different sizes of bows. I really, really appreciate it. And then you have your overlay tapes. So I'm gonna open these up and I'm gonna lay them down on a piece of paper so you can see what I'm talking about. The last subscription was a cheetah print kind of subscription, or animal print, and I am not a fan of animal print. I distashed that one, so I didn't even open when I was doing my unboxing. So if you look at my previous video, I'll link it here down below somewhere, you will see that I didn't even open it because animal print is not my thing. But bows definitely are, and I'm gonna try to open this if I can find the end of it. Okay. All right, so it's not gonna. This is the tape, so you just tear it up, and it's a little header. So this will come with the size of header, 1.5 inches header, and it's a little bow, and the foil is pink. That's the first one. Then you have another 5mm or 5mm or the header size, which I can't remember my measurements, but I know it's 1.5 inches wide, and I think it is 0.95 height in inches. I'm not very good with inches measurement. I usually do mine in centimeters, so that's why I struggle. And this is the also perforated, but in that beautiful champagne foil. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, goodness me. Don't know if you can see. That is just, it's like swirls and a bow in the middle. I mean, oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. That is such a beautiful design. Love the color, but it's a beautiful, beautiful design. I absolutely love it. Tell me, what do you think? Leave a comment down below. Do you like it? Do you use overlay washi? I tend to use most of it on my dailies more than I use on my, oh, it depends on the size. So for example, the bottom washi overlay that she calls bottom washi overlay, I usually use on my dailies, and the headers and the full boxes I use on my weeklies. But it really depends on the design, the foil, and the size. So this is the bottom washi, I think. And this one is the only one that is not perforated. So I'm just gonna put it down here. Show you the bow. That foil is just so beautiful. And I'm gonna lift it up, and you can see it's really, really, really good to put down and put and take off the page. So that's the bottom washi. This is also bottom washi, but this is the thick bottom washi. So that is the complementary bottom washi. I don't know the names because I don't use bottom washi on my spreads. I don't have the standard planner that usually requires that kind of washi. I use my own printed, not my own, but printed inserts that are not the standard size that everyone seems to use. But this is the bottom washi, and I have a cat clawing my legs to see what I'm doing, which is my life. Okay. Oh, that is so cute. Look. Isn't that cute? That cute. Okay, this is perforated. So let's find the perforation. There we go. And oh, that is so cute. So little dots and the bows, and it's very, very cute. It reminds me of the Minnie bow, like the bow that Minnie has on her hair, the character. You know what I mean. Okay. This is the first full box. Oh. And she always also has a different theme, by the way. It's not always bows, it's not always animal prints. This time around it's bows, but I had a fall themed. She done a summer theme. She did what was the other one? Christmas one. The Christmas one was really nice. The in gold. The New Year's one was also really nice. They were just fireworks kind of tape. I always do this with the first one. The first one is like a tiny little one. That doesn't matter if it gets ripped up. But I tend to do this. Okay. So this is the design. It runs through the entire roll. And you have around, I think she said once it's 250 full boxes. So you have full boxes for 250 spreads or 250 spreads. So that is the design, and it's so gorgeous. So it's the same design as here, but on the top or the bottom, if you turn it around, it will be on the bottom of the full box. It's very, very nice. And finally, she also gives you a second set of full box, and this one, this time around, has just, I believe, just 2 designs. So usually she has full boxes with at least, I think, 6 designs. So one of them would be 6 designs and one would be 2. But I think because of the quality control that she had to remake it, it didn't really work as she expected or she usually does. But then again, it's completely fine and it's worth it. So this is the pink one. This is the pink roll, so you have the full box with 2 frames, you have the full box with just 1 frame, and then it repeats to the full box with, so you have 6 designs, so you have the 2 frames with the space, 2 frames, 1 thick and 1 thin, 1 frame only, 2 frames but entangled with each one. And that's when the row ends. So let me. And it's a beautiful foil. Not something you would use every spread. At least I wouldn't. But it's something. It's good to have it, and they are perforated in each individual mark. So you can see that they are perforated. So if I just tear this down, I have another full box, and then you tear these 2 and you have 2 other full boxes. So that is my order from Rose Colored. One other thing that I want to say is that she sends the washi overlay on these cello bags with this little bow, and you can turn these into pockets. If you laminate them and turn them into pockets, they're perfect pockets with this decoration. So there you go, you have a little tip from Sam. I will not teach you how to do it because I am not very good at teaching anyone to do anything. But that is my order from Rose Colored Daze. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching for more. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I will come back next week with my unboxing of my Simply Gilded subscription, and I hope I can see you there. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful time whenever you're watching this. Stay safe, stay sane. Wash your hands. Love you, lottles. Bye.